Hello and welcome. If you are working in the UK and something feels wrong at work, unfair treatment, harassment, unpaid wages, or dismissal,
one important question often comes up. How do I complain properly without destroying my job or my visa?
Many immigrants either say nothing and suffer in silence, or react emotionally and make things worse.
This episode is not motivation. It is not fear-mongering. It is a clear explainer of how grievances and complaints work under UK law.
In this episode, I will explain what a grievance really is, when you should raise one, the correct step-by-step process. It is important to know the protection the law gives you and to avoid the common mistakes immigrants often make. A grievance is a formal complaint raised by a worker about a workplace issue. It can involve discrimination or harassment, unfair treatment, pay issues, working hours or leave problems, and unsafe working conditions.
A grievance is not shouting. It is not threatening. It is a structured, written process.
Let's examine a real-life scenario requiring a grievance procedure. A care worker was repeatedly assigned double shifts.
When they complain verbally, the manager ignores them. This is the point where a formal grievance should be raised. Verbal complaints are easy to deny. Written grievances create a record. Before raising a grievance, write down dates, note times, record what was said, identify. First step, gather facts, not emotions. Identify witnesses, save messages and payslips. Avoid insults, assumptions, threats. Facts protect you, emotions weaken your case. Be written, email or letter. Be calm and factual. State what happened. State what outcome you want. Example wording. I am raising a formal grievance regarding unfair allocation of shifts between January and March. Do not accuse criminal intent unless advised. Stick to what happened, not what you think. After submission, you can bring a colleague or union rep. You should be allowed to explain. Employer should invite you to a meeting. You can bring a colleague or union rep. You should be allowed to explain your case. The meeting is not punishment. It is part of the legal process. Take notes. After the meeting, employer must give a written decision. If unhappy, you can appeal. An appeal must also be written, calm, submitted within time limits. Skipping the appeal stage can weaken future legal action. UK law protects workers from victimization. Your employer must not cut your hours or punish you, threaten your visa, dismiss you for complaining. If they do, it strengthens your legal position. Important for skilled worker visa holders. Complaining does not cancel your visa. Employers cannot report you for raising a grievance. Lawful complaints are protected. Fear is often used as control. Knowledge removes fear. Some only complaining verbally. Using abusive language. Posting issues on social media first, quitting before documenting issues, missing deadlines. Process matters more than anger. If internal grievance fails, ACAS early conciliation is next. The employment tribunal is the last step. You usually must raise a grievance first before going to the tribunal. Raising a grievance is not rebellion. It is a legal workplace process. UK law protects workers who act correctly. In the next episode, we'll explain ACAS, Employment Tribunal and Legal Action, what workers must know. This channel exists to explain, not to alarm.
I believe this episode has been very informative. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this.
Comment below with any topic you'd like me to explain, and I'll address it in an upcoming episode.